Hello everybody, I'm here to solve a problem I have with my laptop. This is an ACER, ASUS 7741G Aspire, and I want to solve this problem with my audio sound. It's making weird noises as alien sounds, and when I start it up it also gives a sound, goes away, and then start up with this alien sound property. Here I start my computer up. Did you hear it? Now I'll try again and go in and see, and here's that we can hear it now. I hope you can hear something. So what could it be? This sound, I will hear it again here. The computer is up and running. Hope you can see it. So I started my Windows Task Manager and tried to get the audio, something with audio. I found this audio, if you can see it. I'll try to shut it off and see if it goes out. Hey, try again. Okay, so it goes out, and the program or the small XE audio program, it started itself up again and running again, and the sound comes again. So what could it be? So if I go down to this volume, and shut it off here, you can see small pulses here as the audio is coming up, and there the small sounds. Okay, I shut it off, and the sound that went off. So it's probably something from my audio card. And what could be, if I shut down, if I unmute the speakers, it comes again. So it's an output on the speakers. Maybe if I go there and try to play back and recording, maybe it is recording and played out in the sounds, making feedback, small audio feedbacks in the computer. So I will try to disable this recording device. Go inside there. Up to the microphone, down to the recording tab there. Microphone, this is the one who is active, and try to disable it. There. Now the sound is over. So this is the microphone recording. If I enable it again, it's on again. Shut it off. Disable. There, it's gone. So I right click on this microphone, on the recording, under the sound properties, enable and disable it here, there, and disable, and it goes off. So the problem is solved. This is a recording device who is making this really small records inside and making these audio loops and making these weird alien sounds. Problem solved.